So today I want to put together a little collection of seeds to give away, and these are some of my favorite vegetables for Southern cooking. And so we'll start here with the white corn, and this is called Country Gentleman, and it's just beautiful. I've grown it several times. It gets very tall, and it has beautiful burgundy colored silk on it. I just love it because I like to make creamed corn with this, but I can't find white Shoepeg corn on the cob fresh in the summer anywhere, so I have to grow it. But it sure does make some good creamed corn, and I don't have a farm or anything, but I like to grow enough to make a nice skillet of corn. So that will be in the giveaway. And then next we have some turnip greens, and these are called 7-top turnip greens. So when I was growing up, this is the type of turnip green my father would grow, and he actually passed away many years ago, and I could no longer ask him what varieties of vegetables he grew in his garden. But I saw on TV that this is a popular turnip green grown in the South, which does not produce a turnip root. And I knew that was what he grew because we never had turnips in the house, but we always had turnip greens, and this is grown mostly here in the South. Of course, our greens are always good with Southern cooking with some cornbread. And then my favorite green bean to grow, and if you've been watching my channel for any time, you know I grow these every year. They're greasy beans. They're nice, they're meaty, they're full of flavor. You can grow these and then shell them if you want to, but usually you just let them get big enough and you eat the pod too. But you do have to string them, so that takes a little time, but it's well worth it. Of course, if you live in the South, I don't have to tell you how you can enjoy these. It's just with a good old Southern plate, or I like to make them in some beef country vegetable soup, which is one of my favorite ways to enjoy them. And so for the tomato that I want to include is one from Kentucky, and it's called Uncle Mark Bagby. I grew this last year for the first time here in North Carolina, and it actually outperformed my Cherokee Purple, but I still will always grow the Cherokee Purple. But I wanted to share some of these seeds because I like to eat them with my greasy green beans, and it's a nice slicing tomato. They're very hard to find right now, so I wanted to share some so that other people can grow them too and possibly save the seed and share them too. And then we have the Candy Roaster squash. This comes from East Tennessee, and it's just a sweet squash that actually my mother-in-law grew up eating, and she grew up in western North Carolina. And the collection wouldn't be complete without some peas. And so these are some Southern peas. They're Lady Cream peas. And these, of course, make great succotash. You don't have to use lima beans and succotash. You can use Crowder peas or just regular field peas, something like that. So I'll also include some cowhorn okra, also from East Tennessee, some purple hull peas, and some Mississippi silver-skinned Crowder peas, National Pickling cucumber seeds, and a 1/4 pound of Kentucky Wonder pole beans. And that's because I used to love to grow the Kentucky Wonder because they are prolific and they are just a really good producer. But when I discovered the greasy beans, I decided to stop growing those. So you'll get a full unopened package of those beans. So if you'd like to enter the giveaway, just leave a comment below this video and I will select one person randomly about 7 days after this video is uploaded. So thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a beautiful day.